Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the warning sound on your emergency SOS. So when you make an emergency SOS call on your Samsung S25 Ultra and you hear this warning sound, let me show you how you can turn it off. So if you want to make an emergency SOS call secretly, then let me show you how you can do this. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right. Next, scroll down until you see safety and emergency, tap on that, then tap on emergency SOS. Scroll down until you see play warning sound. Now you can go ahead and turn that off. So once you do this, no warning sound will be played while the countdown is doing on the Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to turn off the warning sound on your emergency SOS on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.